What's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday to you. Another day in the market. Y'all see what it is. The market giveth, and it shall taketh away. I was thinking they was pricing this stuff in with this war and this oil. I thought they was ready to move on forward. I'm still not selling off bad. We're gonna see what's gonna happen next couple days. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, urgent buys, urgent sales. I did unload some Wendy's today. Ticker WEN. I should have sold a whole position in it. See whether this gonna go back up. I have another position in a cash out portfolio of mine. I unloaded at an average cost now of $6.75. I had 684, so I always been in the green, but I had a sell limit order at 718. Didn't expect for it to go to 732. Once I got up this morning, it was at like 724. I already had the sell order in. We already sold it. 7.85% yield. Think about letting this thing go because I think it's gonna dip down back to $7. I could rinse and repeat with it, but I do keep some of this for the dividend. That's what I like to do. But I did put a buy limit order in at 660, all the way from 690 on down for this portfolio. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. It's the only thing let's look at HPP. This one has been performing well, but coming on down today, along with the rest of the market. This got up to 891. Got itchy fingers, man, trying to see which one should I sell this thing. I'm gonna move up my stop loss up 49%. I need to make a little more on this one. 52-week high is 2170. I only have 63 shares, so ain't like I got a lot to give. But see what I'm gonna do right there. What else we got? So let's go ahead and get to it. I brought a little bit of this one. TSCO pulled back today 5%. Just grab $3 worth, something y'all might want to get. Tractor Supply Company. Had a, I don't know, this must have had bad earnings today because it's down 9.52%. It must have had bad earnings, a lot to hedge. I have to look and see what happened here. But I did grab a little bit of that on the pullback. Just had a reverse stock split. So the 52-week low is 40.34 with a high of 63.39. No, they like the lows. They similar like a Ace Hardware kind of store. You know, like in the country, suburban type areas where they don't have urban areas, whatever you want to call it, where they don't have a lot going on. So that one is a nice one to get. Set yourself up for a swing trade. They just did a reverse stock. Just did a stock split, not a reverse stock split. SVOL. I'm buying this one at 16 and under. Pays 28 to 30 cents a share every month. Some of this right here in dollars. Let's add on to my position. There's cash flow there. Can you even put this on recurring? Let's see. Nope, can't put it on recurring. That's why I don't have it on there. Which is fine. I can remember to do that every day. ACHR. This is definitely one that I'm buying for a long term. This is the eVTOLs, the air taxis. I'm gonna keep me 500 shares for the long term, but I am dollar cost averaging on in at these prices. Got down today to 596. Pick me up 2 shares. That's what I'm doing at these prices, not recurring. Take that back off limit. 5.96. So that's what I'm doing from here on out. I think some of these shares I will be selling. The other day it got to like 674 or something. So I want to see if it's gonna ride back there. But I brought some shares at 620 something. To see what's gonna happen. I might go buy more of this one. HRL, Hormel Foods, 21.38. Go get you some of this. 52-week highs, almost $32, 5.45% dividend yield. It is a dividend king. Whirlpool, 57.34, 57.049 for y'all that need to get into this one. Well, need to lower your average cost. $50.41 is the 52-week low. Dollar cost average on there, and don't load up on it. Got an 8% dividend yield. Got SRLN. State Street, 7.5% yield, 25 to 28 cents a share every month. Trade between 41.67 and 39.39. I want this to drop below the $40 range so I can load up. Go get you some clip. I got this on recurring investments. $10 a day. Which you can see right there. GIS clip paid this late last month paid 51 cents. Usually does 58 to 68 cents depending on the share price. 35.10 General Mills, 52-week low is 34.04, 6.83% yield. KHC, another one, paid like 40 cents a share every quarter, or 34 cents, one of them. Coming back down. 52-week low is 24.04. You can buy that dividend stock. NFLX, get Netflix. I got average cost like $88 and something, but it's got a 52-week high of 134. No, Netflix not going anywhere, just down because it had bad earnings. You better take advantage of this before this go back past the $100 mark. That ORC, 10 cents a share a month. It's only down because it reduces dividend from 12 cents a share to 10 cents. That's what high yielding REITs do. Still undervalued. 5.6 PE ratio, 20.54% dividend yield still. If you're going to get NFLX, you got to get NFLY. When Netflix started, this does options on Netflix. When Netflix started to go up, this would also go up. NFLY 52-week low is 960. Got this on $3 a day recurring. We'll go get another $2 with it. We got Earn. $4.63. You'll get me 5 shares of this at $4.62. So what I do, 5 shares a day, 4.62. That's some of that cash flow. Let's go look at Bull, man. Robinhood holding on at like the $89 marks. Bull got up to $7.76 today. So I got a sell limit order at $6. It's actually a loading zone right here, coming on down. Add a little couple of bull right there. I actually want to ride it up to that 790 something mark. get $100 worth right here. How many shares I got? What's it? 567, 442. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sell these shares at 776. Make me a couple cents every share. Might add some more onto it. Everybody swing trading it, so you better get in and make some money with it. You can ride up, make it 70 cents a share. Rinse and repeat, and I'm gonna keep my average share with the price of shares I had before. I think it was 242 or whatever I had before. Keep those for the run. But let's go check out traps, man. I'm looking at HCR and that one. For us to be swinging in and out of like everybody else is. And you see the market coming down. Ain't no big deal. As long as you got your dividend plays that I've been giving y'all, you can always make money. Whether you sitting there doing nothing or not, doing anything or not. SCM, I got this on recurring daily investment also to lower my average cost on this one. So let that just ride out without me looking at it. See, Ready Capital went on a little tear. I'm at 196. It's got up to $2 today. See how far that's gonna run. ARCC. I'm up in that one now. I can leave that one alone. It's 15 and under with SLRC. Leave that alone. OBDC and stuff like that. 1159. Need to start buying this one like every week. This one you can actually stay out of. I stick with the monthly payers, so I do the quarterlies. I'm just adding on to them because I got a position in them. Just adding on to them, man. It's a nice quarterly dividend payer there, double-digit yielder. Ain't nothing special you got to add to your portfolio, to be honest. See Redwood Trust, if they passed the $6 mark yet. See if that's going to pull back. Let that ride. Good quarterly dividend there. Got ORC. See how GSBD, they still didn't break that $10 mark. This was 1 hour swing trading. I like to buy this at 9 and under. What's my average cost now? Should be in the 8 something, under $9 range. $8.99. Nice to have for a quarterly dividend by Goldman Sachs, GSBD, Goldman Sachs, BDC. See if I came up in Glad. Glad had bad earnings. This pays out every month. Had a little bit of that. YMAG, all that's on SPIT. Remember I gave y'all should be looking good with SPIT. Now I'm up in SPIT. Keep that for that dividend. I think it's paying 20 cents a share for this month. TOPT. See how I'm looking in this. I got this on a dollar day recurring. 31.29. Up 18%. Hood down 4%. That's where you want to add at. Nice little discount. Add you a little piece on to it to accumulate for the future. Coney down 4%. Definitely a nice discount here. Yeah, got this on recurring today, $2 a day. I'll pick up a little bit. Misty been on the run. And they say the storage REIT. 31 said 43. 98 ETF. It's the defense ETF 223 and 228. How much of this do I have? 0.46 shares. Okay. Lower my average cost there. Definitely want to buy the defense stocks. With no wars going on, when this pulls back, HOW pay out every week. Down 4%. I'm just dollar cost averaging until this slowly, a little $2 a day. Definitely would load up on HOW if Robinhood pull all the way back again. CFB Financial must got this on the spinoff. I have no idea what this is. Market cap 3.59, 3.85% yield. 2148, 52-week high. Bank stock. Think I'm gonna let this rip, take my money and run, because I don't know what this is. Let me check real quick. I'll let you guys know. But no, that's it. I might sell CFBF. I got to go do my homework and see what this is. But actually we can find out now. CV, what this is, CFB Financial. All right, CFB Financial Holding Company. It operates as bank holding company for Citizens Bank National Association. But this is like a Citizens Bank in Canada. One of the largest bank holding companies, headquarters in California. The largest banks company headquartered in California. Anyway, it's a bank stock. All right, this is what we got here with it. 2148, 52 high, 3.85% yield. Market cap 2.77%. P ratio at a 13. All right, dividend payout ratio 52%. Got 1 year price target of $22.63. This is the dividend payout history. Been paying 20 cents a share since 2022. Hasn't hiked the dividend since. It seemed like all right start to hold on to. We ain't in no hurry. See what'll happen. All right, signing off. Go get your money.